Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
And all my dear friends.
Good evening.
My name is Akshara Vagadhan. Today I am conversation with Najidi. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, all of you.
Good evening.
My name is Unnati Yadav. I am here to one-on-one conversation with my friend Akshara. Hello, Akshara. Hello, Didi. How are you? I am fine. And you? I am also good. What are you doing nowadays? I study in class 4th in Little Sun Public School and I have done Wisdom Education Academy. And what's about you? I am studying in class 6th in Little Flower Senior Secondary School. Apart from that, I joined Wisdom Educational Academy to improve my English skills. And what is your hobbies? What are your hobbies? My hobbies are dancing, singing, and painting. And your? My listening music, reading books. And describe your family. There are 5 members in my family. My father, my mother, and my elder sister, and my younger sister, and me. And tell me about your family. In my family, there are 4 members. My father, my mother, and me. My brother and me. How old are you? I am 10 years old. And you? I am 11 years. What do you want to become? I want to become engineer. Why? Because it's my passion and I want to invent new machines. And what is your goal? My goal is to become doctor. Why? Because I like to treat the patient, I help the poor. And do you like season? Yes, I like season. So which is your favorite season? Summer. Why do you like summer season? Because we eat ice cream, we get holidays and etc. And which is your favorite season? My favorite season is also summer. Why? Because I eat ice creams and my vacations is going on and I drinking cool drinks. So that's why. Which is your favorite color? My favorite color is black. And which is your favorite color? My favorite color is white. Tell me about your school. My school name is Little Sam Public School and there are many facilities available in my school like water facilities, many teachers, many classrooms, many students, computer lab, science lab and etc. Tell me about your school. My school name is Little Flower Senior Secondary School. There is a garden and many classrooms. There is a good teacher also and one basketball ground and etc. Oh, and do you like festivals? Yes, I like festivals. Which is your favorite festival? It's Holi. Why do you like Holi? Because we eat sweets and play different colors and we enjoy. And which is your favorite festival? My favorite festival is Diwali. Why Diwali is your favorite festival? Because Ram returned to Ayodhya this day and my mother prepared sweets and I burn the crackers. That's why I like Diwali festival. Okay. Do you like games? Yes, I like games. Which is your favorite game? It's badminton. Why? Because I like to play. And your? My favorite game is Ludo. Why? Because it's very interesting game and I like this game. What is your favorite indoor game? My favorite indoor game is Ludo. And outdoor game? I don't like outdoor games. Why? No, I don't like outdoor games. And do you like indoor games? No, I don't like indoor. I like outdoors. Oh, which types of games do you like? I like hide and seek, ice water, and etc. Oh, nice talking to you. Same to you and thank you.